Hello, my name is Nikea Hernandez. I'm a physical therapist assistant with HealthQuest Physicians Group, and this is a Minute to Better Health. One way to assess balance is by using the Berg Scale. The test can help provide objective data about the severity of balance deficits with transfers, reaching, bending, turning, and standing. The patient is instructed on 14 different tasks, starting with the less challenging, sit to stand, to more challenging, standing on one foot. Each task is scored 0 to 4, with 0 being the lowest level of function and 4 the highest. The highest possible score is 56, and a score of less than 45 indicates a greater risk of falling. If you are being treated in physical therapy for balance issues, then we would use the Berg Balance Score periodically to track your progress. If you are having balance issues or falling frequently, please see your healthcare provider about a referral to physical therapy. Thank you and have a good day.